Hello, my people. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Missy, and in today's video, guys, we're making breakfast, and this is our breakfast. So I'm just gonna start by washing my cassava. I have one huge cassava, and this one is just gonna be enough for me. So I'm gonna start washing it. Yeah, it should be cleaned fast. Then after it's all cleaned, as you can see, it was very dirty. I think, yeah, it was very dirty, very dirty. As you can see, it has soil in it. So I'm just gonna clean it well. Then after cleaning it, then I'm gonna cut it into pieces and then peel it. Then after peeling it, then I will boil it in salt water. Yeah, sorry I did it off camera. As you can see here, I have my already boiled cassava. I didn't show you guys when it was boiling, but this is now it. This is it. So it was well cooked, well boiled, as you can see. Yeah. So I will put it in here so that it drains water. If there's any water it drains, I want it to drain it off. Then I'll start cutting it into small pieces. I'm just gonna cut it into the small shapes, as you can see. So this is what I'm going for. Okay, this is the best shape for me, and these pieces are nice. So when everything is well cut the way I want them, let's cut all the cassava into the small pieces, just the way we want them to be. I'm done slicing them, so I'm just gonna start deep frying them. Yeah, I'm gonna start deep frying them into a low medium heat. So we're gonna deep fry them until they turns golden brown. Yeah, so let's put the amount of the cassava that we want. We don't want to overcrowd them. Yeah, so that's just enough. So let's allow it to fry until they turn golden yellow in color. Then we are going to remove them. At this point, I'm now removing them, as you can see, because they are well cooked. Yeah, and they have turned the golden color that we wanted. So let's remove them. After I've removed all of them, then the process will continue. So I'm going to put again another round. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. As you can see, guys, now this is the last round that I'm putting on the fire, and then we will be done with frying our cassava. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how they look. They are golden in color, and this is what we want. Yay, yay. So at this point, guys, I didn't show you when after my cassava was well boiled, I separated it into two parts. The first part is the one that I fried, and then the second part I'm going to wet fry it. I'm just going to make a stew out of it here. So that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I already had my ingredients. There we have onions and tomatoes, and then some small spices like royco and garlic powder. Was it garlic or ginger? Then after everything is well cooked, then I'm going to come in with my cassava, the other part that I left. Yeah, so today we are eating a very, very heavy breakfast, guys. Feel welcome. And again, guys, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that anytime when I post a video, you will be the first person to be notified about my video. Thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And for those who are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And this is the end of my video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and follow. See you into the next video. Bye bye. Cheers.